In a decision read by Justice Jackton Ojwang and Mohammed Ibrahim, the Apex Court observed that the Court of Appeal erred in acquitting Ahmed Mohammed and Saeed Mousavi of 3 terrorism counts. Office of the Director of Public Prosecution had filed an appeal challenging the acquittal by the Court of Appeal of the 2 Iranians who were charged in 2012 with 3 counts of terrorism. Ahmed Mohammed and Saeed Mousavi were arrested in 2012 in possession of chemical substance RDX, which is a very powerful explosive. The judges alluded that the appeal by the state was merited and there was enough evidence pointing at the 2 Iranians.
Now, having made this order that the respondents shall serve the remainder of the imprisonment term after which they shall be repatriated to the country, that is, the consequences are very obvious. Our orders have expired upon our repeating this judgment. They have expired, they are no longer in force, and I think the right thing to do for us to effect orders B is that the respondent shall forthwith be taken to committee prison to serve the remainder of the imprisonment term.
Yes.
With their lawyer expressing disappointment in the judgment.
We have to look at the judgment and then we see whether there are grounds. We can review the judgment because it's the highest court in the land. So appeal is not a right, so we can review on matters of law.
In another development, 2 Kenyans and a Ghanaian arrested in connection with the botched attempt to release the 2 Iranians were released unconditionally for lack of evidence. Elsewhere, 7 Congolese nationals were Friday arraigned before a Maralal court charged with being in the country illegally. The 7 men were arrested on 14th of March in a house they had rented at Alamano village in Maralal town. In their defense, they claimed they were refugees and represented papers allegedly issued by the United Nations. Finally, Joseph Corey, the estranged husband of the late Mary Wambui Corey, who was murdered, has been acquitted of murder charges by Kiambu Senior Principal Magistrate Sarah Atambo. Corey subsequently will appear as a state witness in the murder case in which his alleged mistress Judy Wangui and taxi driver Michael Gedae are facing murder charges. The court was told how the logbook of the late Mary Wambui's car was allegedly changed by unknown people. The magistrate ordered the allegations investigated and findings reported to the court. For Scales of Justice, I'm Ben Troy Njue.